welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name's Richard. I'm coming to you today from a brewery in St. Petersburg, Florida. They have a mystery box right now. So let's go ahead and let's put some money in the mystery box. Wait, does it not take money? Oh God. I guess I'll have to come back to you when I got a credit card inserted. All right, so now we got a credit card. We got Apple Pay. It's Apple Pay right there. From my Apple Watch, maybe. There we go. Select a product. We're gonna go with 90s question mark. Yes, it is literally $10. Please tap again. I guess it really wants to make sure I want this thing. It is approved. And there is 90s. All right, let's see what else we got. Thank you amount, $10.70. Yes, I paid $10 for a 90s product that I have no clue what it is. Another one right here. It's Florida Man. Let's tap right here. Florida Man. That is 36. Tap again. That's $7. This is what happens when you drink too much in St. Petersburg, Florida. Here we go. We got Florida Man. We then have Shut Up and Take My Money. And yes, these are real transactions, if you're wondering. From a St. Petersburg, Florida vending machine. Push to start. Okay. We're gonna go with Shut Up and Take My Money. I gotta present my card again. It is, God, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. This is Shut Up and Take My Money. And what else are we gonna go with? We've got Nostalgia Kids Meal Toy, Stoner's Kit, Drinking Games, Birthday Kit, we already got the 90s edition, The Walk of Shame, Blow Me, Don't Buy This on a First Date, this has already been demonetized, Florida Man, Sticker Pack, Real Weird Ass Pair of Earrings, I'm sorry, my ears are not pierced, 90s mystery item, we gotta get one more. I'm not a stoner. It's not my birthday. Let's go with Don't Buy This on a First Date. So, don't buy this on a first date. Again, we're gonna tap our card right here. It's just like, somehow is, okay, here we go. So don't buy this on a first date. It's 34. All right, that's an expensive. I gotta tap once more. And we have 3 items that we're gonna open up from the mystery box. So we've got Don't Buy This on a First Date. We've got 90s edition. We've got Florida Man. And we've got Shut Up and Take My Money. Is this a bad idea? Of course this is a bad idea. I'm gonna leave this pointed towards me with all these items. My friend right here, she's not on the picture. What was your first name? You can say your first name.
It's KL, everybody.
Okay, so KL's here. I'm gonna sit down. No, sideways, KL. Sideways. There we go.
Sorry.
Okay. So,
what you got?
I'm sorry. What is the name of this brewery again? You drank too much.
If I Brewed the World.
If I Brewed the World. So we got If I Brewed the World, and we've got a very interesting drink called Berry Crunch.
How do you like it?
It smells like crunch berries. It tastes like crunch berries. If Willy Wonka was a guy who liked cereal instead of candy,
Right.
he liked this. Okay.
It's true. It's true.
It tastes like berry.
What was your first name again?
KL.
KL. Doesn't
Yeah.
want to be on camera, but she said the first thing I had to get, she said, you've got to get Florida Man.
Yeah, Florida man's a
We're
must.
still recording, right?
Yes, we
Okay.
are. Florida
So-
man's a must.
I can kind of see because it's clear in the background, so I can see what Florida Man is, but let's go ahead, let us open the Florida Man. This is what happens when you're drinking in St. Petersburg at God knows what hour in the morning.
What is that?
I legitimately believe this is a gator hand.
And it's giving you the finger.
It's a gator
It's
claw.
giving you the
Let's
finger,
just make sure. No, there's like details here. Hold on. It's
Oh,
gator,
yeah.
yeah, Florida Man gator. Let's open this up. We got other people at the bar that
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
right,
He's
so-
using that gator to rob him. Do you see that? He's using the gator to rob
So wait,
him.
let's see. A Florida man who took an alligator to the store on a beer run is arrested. A Florida man who carried a live alligator into a Jacksonville convenience store to get some beer and ran around inside the business with a reptile tucked under his arm has been arrested. That's actually
No,
legitimate.
that actually happened. I actually remember that headline.
But like, that is literally a piece of gator.
Can I touch it?
Yes, you're welcome to touch it. You can show it to the camera.
Look, everybody. The gator claw
And
is
this
holding
more
my
of like
hand.
an art installation than anything else. But you know what?
And this is what I chose for him to get.
Let's go for another one,
It's
right?
genius, really.
Now the other one you chose 90s.
All right, yes, I did. I did
So
choose
she
that.
was like, you gotta get 90s. Well,
90s.
While I drink my
Wait a
berry
minute.
crunch.
I'm going to drink mine too. Look, I have
She has butterbeer, but it doesn't taste like
butterbeer.
butterbeer.
No, it's so
just,
good.
It's good. It's just a brown ale. But I highly recommend you check out, what's the name? Oh God. It's like the weirdest beer place. Like, what's the name of the beer company? It's
If I brew the world.
If
I Brewed the World.
All right, because everyone wants to brew the world. This is 90s. And let's see.
Okay, yeah.
This is actually really quite cool.
What's in there?
Rise above the rest.
All right.
Dream
Is
on.
that Michael Jordan?
We got Michael Jordan. You know,
Alright.
it's coming out, the Air movie. You know about the Air movie?
No.
It's talking about the creation of Michael Jordan Air Jordans.
Oh, really?
So, like, as
Okay.
someone got in before Michael Jordan was even in the NBA, then it says, do animals dream?
Of course they do. Have you ever owned a dog?
I have, but hold on. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's more.
What? Fruit geysers! Gushers!
Gushers. Okay, there's more in here. I
Uh-oh.
promise you. There's a whole bunch of stuff, actually. We got Gushers. We have a Tamagotchi.
I don't think I've seen any of those since the 90s.
This video's actually gonna
I think
do.
my kids
This
probably had
video's gonna do
those.
really well on the internet because all these things are gonna be tagged. Good call on the 90s bag. We literally have a Tamagotchi.
I know my mystery bags.
There's like WTF question mark, which we'll have to look at.
Yeah, we'll have to
I'll
look
put
at-
the link in the description below.
And see
so if
what
you're
that
like,
is.
what is this?
Uh-huh.
That's gonna be in the description below. Oh my god. That's an X-Files button with Scully
No,
and Mulder.
I love it! Scully and Mulder!
We got Scully and Mulder and an X-Files button. This is a whole bag.
Whole
we got
bag
Ed,
full.
Ed and Eddie. Well, one of them's
Oh,
missing.
I love Ed, and Eddie!
We got Ed and Eddie. One of them's missing.
Oh, no.
I don't know
that's
which
just
one
Ed
it is.
and Eddie.
That's just Ed and Eddie, maybe. We've got. Is that a Pokemon card?
It probably.
No.
It would make sense.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Remember Macaulay Culkin and the Page Master?
No.
There was a comic. It was Steven Spielberg. It was a live action
No, I
movie
don't remember
called
that.
The Page Master with Macaulay Culkin. OMG, I know what this is. I
What
gotta
is
take
it?
off one of my watches for this.
No, you're gonna. Is it one of those like things you slap onto your wrist? Hell yeah!
Ready?
Do it! Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy!
And last but not least, I am not stoned enough for this.
Is that a hacky sack?
That was a hacky sack.
Oh, yeah.
So we legit have a
Nice.
hacky sack.
Nice.
And then you also recommended this is the next one. We did this on video. Shut up and take my money.
That's
which
right.
is exactly what that evil vending machine did. Is it shut up and took my money.
What do we got?
Let's see. My money. There better be more money in here. That would be the
Right.
best thing. It's like
Wouldn't
the
it be amazing if you opened it up and it was like a $100 bill?
It's not a $100 bill.
It is.
It's like a sad picture of Augustus Gloop from Willy Wonka. We're still recording, right?
Yes.
The number's still going up.
Yes.
As long as that's happening, I'm happy. Because we're all drinking here. Okay. And we've got someone whose face is stretched out. Saying, in my opinion. Is this literally just asking, what did I get from mystery vending?
Wait, there was something on the other
we
side.
got more. We got more. We got more. We've got a cat sticker. That's the Nicolas Cage cat.
God, I hate Nicolas Cage. I hate him even more as a cat.
And then we got Jack Nicholson animated.
This
We've
is
got
all.
a McLovin.
Ah, McLovin!
I love my unseen co-host who's totally loving this. I didn't even know who this woman is. Can you help me?
That? No, I don't know who that is. Do you know?
We got the whole bar here involved. I have another thing of the
Not Linda McVeigh.
booty crunch.
Oh, the one who told on Monica Lewinsky. Linda Tripp!
Linda Tripp.
I don't think that's her.
Hold
I don't
on,
think
and
that's
there's
her.
oh my god, there's a lot more stickers here.
Ooh, stickers.
We got a Thrasher sticker with Kermit the Frog here.
That's awesome.
And then switching theme parks, we got a Shrek sticker.
I love Shrek.
I'm head ogre heels for you.
Oh,
Leo saying welcome.
oh, nice.
And another glasses.
Is that Snoop Dogg with heart-shaped
No, I mean
glasses
it's
on?
way too white for Snoop Dogg.
He is white.
But I got one more you didn't recommend.
All right.
Okay? I can see the back of this. I can't really tell you what's in this yet.
All right.
But this is our last. This is the don't buy this on a first date kit.
Oh, this ought to be interesting.
I'm not sure what's going to be in here.
I guess we're gonna
move these
find
to the
out, aren't
side.
we?
I'm not wearing a watch anymore. I now have a slap bracelet on instead. But let's see. This is what happens when you get drunk in St. Petersburg.
Yes, it is.
Again,
We know how to party here in the Berg.
again, we've got a WTF QR code.
We have to figure out what this code is.
Yeah, it'll be in the link below. I'll figure it out when I post this. We have a chocolate fantasy condom.
I think that's perfect for a first date. I don't understand.
I mean, we are in the more friendly to alternative lifestyles area
That's true.
of St. Petersburg.
That's
right
true, we
now.
are. That's
I think
true, we
that's
are.
the same- oh, what the hell is this?
What is this?
Okay, when you see the back of this,
It kinda reminds me
YouTube
of a
is- no, no,
Capri
no,
Sun.
no. YouTube is really not gonna like the back of this.
What is
okay?
it?
YouTube is gonna say demonetized. I don't know the back of this. I believe this is a very special rib for her pleasure device.
What is that?
You're a lady behind the camera, and you're still going, what is that? That looks like a medieval contraceptive device. I don't want to say that,
it's all becoming clear to me now.
or it's like a window cling for Easter. I really can't.
I was thinking it might be a condom for a water bottle.
It's completely sealed, or else I would take it out and show it to you. But it smells like disappointment. Oh God! I know what this next item is. That's what makes it so good. I believe these are anal beads.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's so good.
No, those are too small.
I believe these are anal beads. And a feather.
A feather. Ooh, so silky.
I don't think they stacked this in the right order. Oh, look. And it finally tells you how to use this. And unfortunately, I can't show you the other side of this picture
Why?
on video. Because there's a naked woman on here.
Oh no!
I will show you.
Oh,
once the
but
video's
not
done.
on the video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's a naked woman on the other side. I don't need YouTube to say, we don't like this video, we don't want anybody to see it.
You don't think the anal beads would have done it?
I mean, no. Oh God, the inside's even worse. This is Richard from No Pants Profits coming to you from, what's the name of the brewery again? I drank too much.
If I brewed the world.
If I Brewed the World in St. Petersburg, Florida, right off the main street with the mystery vending machine. Reminding you.
Look at all this loot!
Look at all this. But if you wear no pants, there's only one thing you got left to lose. You know what that is?
Anal beads.
It's your anal bead. It's also your shirt. Straight one.